Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will be coloring the hairs in Photoshop. Take a quick selection tool and create a selection around the hairs. Make sure to create an accurate selection. After making a selection, add a gradient map. Click on the gradient map. Make sure to select black and white gradient. And if the hairs are looking weird, make sure to click on this reverse option. Change the white color of this gradient to the color you want, like I am choosing red color for the hairs. Click OK. Now right click on this layer. Go to blending options. In underlying layer, hold down Alt and take the slider to the right a little bit. And hold down Alt again and take the slider to the left, closer to the center. Now click OK. Now as you can see, the hairs have sharp edges, so we will fix it with the 0% hardness and paint over it with white color using brush tool. Let's make it little more darker. Let's take the slider little bit to the right. Click OK. Now add a hue saturation adjustment layer. Right click, create a clipping mask and use the slider to change the color of the hair you want, and you can adjust its saturation also. That's it guys. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching this video.